What's up YouTube, it's your boy James back with another video. And today we're going to do an unboxing and a review of the Air Jordan 1 Low All-Star Weekend 2021. Now this Jordan 1 Low came out in China on January 31st and it had a retail price tag to be about $90 USD. And I didn't even know that this sneaker existed until somebody DM'd me on Instagram to ask me about it. So I went and did some research and I couldn't find anything other than it being released in China, so I don't believe that this sneaker released anywhere at any US retailer, online or in store. And if you've been watching my channel for a while, you know that I absolutely love Jordan 1 Lows, so when I discovered that this sneaker existed, this was something that I had to get into my collection. Now I actually purchased this from GOAT, and after shipping I paid $152. Now it was shipped from China to GOAT to be authenticated, and then GOAT shipped it to me, and I got the sneaker in about 7 days. So in this video, what we're going to do is I'm going to unbox this sneaker. I'm going to do a full detailed review. I'm going to hit you with it on feet, and then I'm going to leave you with my thoughts and opinions on this Air Jordan 1 Low All-Star 2021. I'd like to welcome back all my returning viewers and subscribers. Thank you so much for stopping by and spending your time with me. I really appreciate you. But if this is your first time visiting my channel, my name is James and I do reviews on sneakers, gear, and sports related items. And if you all could just take a moment out to destroy that like button for your boy, I would really appreciate it. And if you're new here or you haven't yet already subscribed, hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you're notified every time I drop one of these bangers and you don't miss anything. It's funny, every time I do a Jordan 1 Low review, people get in the comments be like, you be on it with the lows, you're the king of the lows. They call me the king of the lows because I absolutely love the Jordan 1 Low. I think with the colorways they drop on the Jordan 1 Low and the price point of $90, $100 or so, you know, to get a Jordan 1 in your collection in a fire colorway, that's such a good deal most of the time. So I absolutely love the silhouette, and whether you like the Jordan 1 Low or not, the colorways and the price point, you can't really beat it. And then when I found out about the Jordan 1 Low All-Star, I knew I had to get that into my collection because I picked up the All-Star Weekend Mid and I did a review on this sneaker, and if you haven't already watched it, go check it out because this sneaker is pretty fire. So to get both of these into my collection was something that I was very interested in. And I do have the Jordan 1 Low right here, it just arrived, and I did pick this up from GOAT. So let's get into the unboxing. Safety first. Alright, straight out of the box, you have your typical Jordan 1 Low box that's black. You do have your gold Jumpman on the top of the lid. Got another gold Jumpman right there. The 23 right there. This has Just Do It sticker on the bottom of the box, which I've never seen that before, so that's pretty cool, I guess. Alright, and the official size tag reads, Air Jordan 1 Low SE All-Star Weekend. This is a personal pair size 8. Alright, so opening up the box, you do have your GOAT verified tag right there, and that is for the authentication and the quality control of the sneaker, and the new cards for 2021 are black. You do get your GOAT sticker, which I got a whole bunch of these now. I just leave them in the box with the sneakers most of the time. You do have your typical Jordan 1 Low paper. It's white. You got the gold 23 imprinted all over the whole thing. And let's take our first peek at this sneaker. Now my first impression out of the box is this is a nice colorway. Now it's pretty simple, it just has the black and white hits all over the sneaker, and it is mostly black. Now you do have on the top here and the mid portion of the sneaker, the mid panel, you do have this black synthetic leather. And right here in the middle where the Nike swoosh is, it is like a carbon fiber print, it's not real carbon fiber. And you do have patent leather on the back, the eyelets, and the front toe box of the sneaker. So you do get synthetic leather, patent leather, and you do have some slight hints of carbon fiber on the Nike swoosh. Now on the back of the sneaker, you do get that Jordan Wings logo, and you do get it stitched into that patent leather. Now on the front toe box, you do get that black tumbled leather right there. It is pretty soft. You do get black laces, no other laces come in the box. You do get the 23 on the lace loop, although it is in black, so it's kind of hard to see it. you do get your nylon tongue, and then you get that Air Jordan Jumpman that's circled in white. Then moving to the bottom of the sneaker, you do get an all-white rubber midsole, and that sits on the all-black rubber outsole, and that is your typical Air Jordan 1 design. And then inside of the sneaker, you do get an all-black sock liner. You get a black insole with that Jordan Jumpman in white that is circled in white. So far, in my opinion, this is a very clean sneaker with a very simple yet elegant colorway, and I really like it so far. But let me go ahead and throw these on, and let's get into some on-feet action. Now when it comes to this Air Jordan 1 Low, I really like it a lot. If you're interested in picking this up on the resale market, they're going for like around 150 bucks, so they're definitely affordable. So even paying that little bit of extra resale to get this sneaker in your collection is worth it in my opinion, especially because they didn't really release it in the United States. So picking it up on the resale market is pretty much the only way you are going to get it anyways. Now when it comes to sizing, I recommend going true to size. So whatever you would typically wear in an Air Jordan 1 low, mid, or a high, definitely go after that size if you're picking up this sneaker. But I want to know what you think of my sneaker pickup right here. Is this a cop? Is this a pass? Is this dope? Or is this trash? Comment down below and let me know what you think. I'd like to thank you all for rocking out with me and watching another video. Before you guys bounce out, if you haven't already done so, hit that like button for your boy. And if you're new or you haven't yet already subscribed, hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you never miss any content on sneakers, gear, or sports related items. And until next video, peace.